welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If it's the first time of seeing my video or listening to my audio, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion on hot topics to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. To my gallant subscribers that keep coming back to check me out to see what I got to offer. Thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May you get your going out and your coming in, your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy. Keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to talk about the hot topic where the social media right now, where they talk about. I take come upon myself. I say if me not talk about this one, who I help, waiting again. Still on the saga where this social media. Some people enter this 2020 well. Some people enter like they enter with motive of, oh, this year I go tell people say I too tough. I go tell people say, oh, now me na be the talking and do. I come across one video, I think for Aproko people or something. Bros, not verse or sister, not verse. Anybody will get that channel, not verse. If you come across my video, you know, say I saw my tongue, sometimes they dance jungle over. So this video, what thing I see for inside, it was really disgusting. It was really annoying. Like seriously, my brothers and sisters. Now some Nigeria girls, they for camp, I think for France, they begin on the fight for man matter. They begin on the quarrel for man matter. Now one of the girl go meet the other one for a room. Pass many room before he come reach his room. What he go meet the girl for now? She say her husband buy clothes for the girl where she go meet. Make the girl come give her the clothes and the money where her husband give her. Like seriously, my sister? Like seriously for 2020? Like seriously, you gather mind, you go meet somebody for house, you leave the man where leave you with Pekin, go buy cloth for somebody, you leave her for house, go meet woman like you. Do you people have brain at all? With all due respect to you guys, una even they think before I do something. I bet before this thing they make me paranoid. I go like share the video with you now. Maybe you don't see her, maybe you don't see her, maybe you never see her. Not worry my handsome brother, not worry my beautiful sister. Even though you don't see him, as long you never see him for my universe, it never completes. I go like sharing with you now so that you're not going to misunderstand me when I give my opinion later. I don't say don't judge in my universe. Judge, it makes you human. Judge, it makes me know the kind of person you are. Please bear with me. Let me hit the little video. I will be back.
My dog. No, not that class when my husband back for you, can't give me. Go and pass me, give me. I don't know pass. My husband back for you, what? My husband back for you. Make up, I don't care. My husband back for you, I have a video you got for me. I talk to my guy. Give me! I can't give me. No! Everyone, I know what I know. You want to come back for you. I can't give you. You should have come back for me. You want to come back. I'm going to give you that. Baby, I'll call you back. Which money? Inside the video. I can't see for me. Mama, your man on the year. Mama, no, Mama, you be fast. Mama, did you make you talk for this? Stop waiting now. Which time to do this one? I never talk to you. I beg you. Come on. You go do. My head. Una dey still left. Okay, me want put una for live video now. Una see am, me want put una for live video. Oh yeah na. Show na one first, no na first. Me go put una for live video. No. After the don't agree. No, Mama, what is it? Hold on. What is this?
Okay, stop. You have to stop.
No, stop. No, stop. Now I like video. Oh yeah.
Stop.
Keep her. Move her hand on her head, please. Keep her. Mama. I beg.
You have to stop. I have to call the police otherwise. You have to stop.
Yes.
You have to stop.
You know, my somebody say one tell me.
You
have to
stop.
Mama in hand. Oh, Mama.
Stop.
Mama, Jesus. Okay.
All right, my wonderful brothers and sisters, you're welcome back to my universe. I know if you put on as video because the thing they one kind. I just want to hear the voice. The second thing will make me want to talk about this matter. Apart from the girl we go meet fellow girl like for inside room, leave the man where she claims say he buy the cloth and give the girl money for house. Come meet another girl. Apart from that one, you get the girl we come the record them for background. When one of the girl tell her say no record me, say no they record them. She said no, she know they put them for Facebook. Say hey, she they talk to her guy. My sister, if you peradventure come across this my video, see, karma. Some people don't know wetin be the meaning of karma. Some people don't know wetin dey happen to them. Some people don't know say na wetin they use their hand take curse, now they worry them. Somebody say no put me for camera. Somebody say no put me for life. You still went ahead to put them. You dey lie. They tell them say you know they do am. When they don't start to the fight, say yes I want put una for video now. I want record una since una no one stop. And you know how the fight. You see the other girl wey they go meet for house. The girl no plan for her. The girl no know say this thing will happen. Wait for your own turn tomorrow. Believe me, your own go worse past this one where you do so. Not be saying na cause na reality. We Africans, we like to take truth as they swear for me. I know they swear for you. I know they tell you say bad thing will happen to you. Now what you plan that day, now go germinate tomorrow or next tomorrow. Can't give you food chop. Now so life just be. You know we will be Africans. We don't know what's in the law. We don't know say some things what we they do is against the law. It did for that video. She told you not to record her. You say you know the recorder. Do you know only that video? If you put you for prison for maximum 3 years because she no want enter video. You come out the recorder. Even they talk as evidence. Say you know the recorder of which you the recorder. My sister, life not be like that. Oh, today na somebody turn. Tomorrow na another person turn. For my beautiful darling, they use until they make parable say I make book perfect. Ibana agogo. Mona no verse. You know too clear like that. My adore people know what it mean. What it mean na today na my turn. You they happy. Oh, it good for her. Na so it's supposed to happen to her. You know say tomorrow na your turn. My sister, this 2020, change your attitude, change your behavior. If not, the good spirit can never look your way. People like you, it dey hard before good spirits answer their prayer. And for that, my sister, where you go meet another woman for house, say make come give her cloth where husband buy for her, cloth money where husband give her, say war get here, you dey hear gist. Don't say you see her with your eye. Somebody can't tell you. You don't know how truth it be. You don't know whether the person wants more to fight. You don't know whether the person are evil genius. You don't know whether the person are evil incarnate. You just carry say that you be egbe wager. You go meet her. If they say make all of una come up for there now, una say Oyibo people they racist. Oyibo people they don't like black people. Una begin come the chat for social media. Una no go talk wetin happen o. Una no go talk wetin una use una hand cause o. Una no go talk am. The man wey even they take off, they still go they try the hold them. They say lie say they no go gree for another person land. For land wanna still get one leg for ground. Una don't know wetin be una faith. Wetin be all this one, my Nigeria people? Wetin be all this one? He never reach one I want to wise. He never reach one I want to get sense. He never reach one I want to get sense. Gone on those days when man they rack for woman matter. All of them maintain their brain. All of them arrange their brain. They don't they fight for woman matter again. Now women can't carry on like contracts. Can't they fight for man who don't care about you and your pikin. He leave you for house. Go back cloth to another woman. Go give another woman money. You have the guts. Can't take me to another woman for house. Cloth with my husband buy for you. You don't know say he don't love you. You don't know say that the woman will buy Christmas cloth for. Now he like. Now he love. You know they use your brain. You know they use your brain. Instead of you to focus on the pikin where you born, instead of you to work for your life, instead of you to show good example where they'll give you document, no, you dey fight for man matter. If they deport you tomorrow now, you will say evil, now they worry you. evil no dey worry any of us, my brothers and sisters. Now we dey use our hand, they call evil come our life. Now we dey use our hand, they call the evil where they don't burn for evil forest, may they come back to our life. Now if they want to talk, they'll say Nigerians. Now they come the fight. They're not gonna talk the tribe where you be. They're not gonna talk where you come from Nigeria. They will classify everybody. They will classify everybody. Say na Nigeria na do one. That's your bad attitude. Don't they for Nigeria record? Wanna stop all these things because when they use una reggae, they spoil another person blues. You see that innocent woman where sit down, carry your own innocent pikin. When I know say that reggae wanna play, feel go disturb that woman blues. If they want drive Nigeria, they don't go drive one Nigeria. They go drive all the Nigerians where they there. You can see my brothers and sisters. They come out for social media. They talk so Igbo people racist. They don't want Nigerians for their country. They don't want these people for their country. And we they forget they talk with our Nigeria people. They do for their country with all due respect to each and every one of you. Truth bitter. E good more we talk am. Truth they come like sword for hearts. E good more we talk am. Make other people take learn. Make other people take know say wetin they do for another man country is not ID. They don't fit do one for their own country. Every country for this world, as long say you get country where you from come, they deport. Me I be not know before say that they deport for Nigeria. I don't believe say na only me. Many people still they will not know say that they deport for Nigeria. This January what they so they don't put and say they want deport foreigners for Nigeria. Some people will still there for Nigeria. If you tell them say that they deport from Nigeria, they not go believe because they never hear them before. Now normal, now political strategy. Now waiting they tell they get votes, now be that one. Once you don't there for election period, they deport anything deportable. They say they want deport for Nigeria. So if they deport for another country, with all due respect to the people we want affect, when I try to understand me, I know they pray me they deport anybody. I just try to make points. Say each country they get their law. As long politicians they must use them for people to take vote for them. So I beg you, my sister, I beg you, my brother, wait there for camp. Not use your reggae to spoil your fellow brother blues. Sister, not use your reggae to spoil your fellow sister blues. Like seriously, this one not good again. Nigeria here, Nigeria here, Nigeria here. It's enough. Enough is enough. Make we rewrite history. Make we be the generation of change. If man leave you for house with pikin, go back close to another woman. Not say not send you, not say not get your time. Focus on your life. Fix your life and fix that of your child. Like seriously, my sister, make we stop all this. They fight for waiting not make sense. You all come up for your house, just go rack another woman for your house. Say your husband, when not keep himself for himself, go meet another woman. Say he buy cloth for a make can't give you the cloth. Julius Berger pour concrete for your heart. Oh, RCC can't grade down, my sister. It's not done anywhere. Nobody with right senses will do what you do. So instead of you to focus on your man, instead of you to talk to your man, instead of you to beg your man, if now beg you want beg him, or figure out by yourself if he really love you or he not love you, to take both decision. You come out go they fight another woman like you. You leave the man for house, go they ask another woman make he give you money where your husband give her. If you someone still check can just now, with all due respect to you, sister, he never put money for your head. Now just boyfriend and girlfriend thing, pikin can't come out for inside. He still get choice, he still get your own life to live. Now you choose to bring pikin come life. Now you bring a come life. You not concern the man. Maybe the man not even love you. This one is my opinion. I don't know whether I put money for your head. I don't know whether I marry you. I don't know. I just they talk calm. Unto as many people till they call man where they born for their husband. Please pardon me. I mean not to disrespect anybody. Make we women, make we all change. I beg you. May we know where problem dey for our relationship instead of us to go dey look on another place. Another woman where they date your man, you and that woman not get business, you and that woman not get contract. Now the man will give you belle, now the man will confess love to you, now you wanna get business. Call the man, sit down, talk to the man, change from your bad attitude, change from the way where you say they behave, where you know say the man not bad do. If you really know say you want to stay with the man, like seriously, my sisters, we all really need to change, because this thing where you do so, believe me, it go affect your sister where just they do your own jejeje. It go affect your brother where don't carry that name Nigeria. Please, I beg you all in the name of God, make we change this 2020. More not let them say they scatter our home. More not let this one say that one say I see your husband for here, I see your wife for here. More not let us destroy our relationship. More not let us destroy what we not build for years. I beg you all in the name of God. I beg you in the name of anyone I believe. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you don't take this my audio personal. I hope you don't take any of my video personal. I know they try to tell you say I know I pass you. I know they try to talk say I know I pass anybody. I just they try to try. I just they try to represent the change when I truly and really want. If this audio offend you or any of my video offend you, please find a place in your heart to forgive me, for peace sake, for love's sake. Then come your way next time. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion on hot topic. to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Please don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to patronize me. And don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video. One love. Mwah.